With technology evolving at such a rapid pace, it's easy to feel like we're constantly trying to catch up. That's why it's crucial to use tools that keep your team ahead of the curve. With TMA in your toolkit, you can integrate with expert technology partners and consolidate your data into a centralized CMMS platform, improving efficiency and safety. WebTMA connects with any building automation platform to monitor the conditions of assets in real time, lower your costs, and boost sustainability by taking a predictive maintenance approach with accurate building data. Our BACnet integrations detect alarms and create work orders so that building occupants don't have to. With TMA systems, you're not just managing facilities, you're optimizing every aspect of your operations. Your buildings are smart. We make you smarter. Stay ahead of the curve. Let's connect.